Good morning, sir. I am Adrian Baisa from your student from 2 to 3:30 p.m. Sir. Section 3, original document um, must be produced. Exception when the subject of inquiry is the contents of the document, writing, recording, photograph, or other records. No evidence is admissible other than the original document itself. Um, Exceptions in the following cases: A. When the original is lost or destroyed, cannot be produced in court without bad faith in the part of the offeror. B is when the original is in the custody or under the party against whom the evidence is offered. Um, the latter fails to um, produce it after the reasonable notice, and the original cannot be obtained by the local judicial processes. And C is when the original is consists of the numerous accounts or other documents cannot be examined in court without great loss of time. And the fact sought to be established from them is the only general result of the whole. D is when the original is public record of the custody in the custody of the public officer, or is recorded in the public office. And lastly is the original is not closely related in a controlling issue. Section 10, evidence in a written agreement. When terms of an agreement have been reduced to writing, it is considered as containing of all the terms agreed upon, and there can be as between the parties and the successor in interest. No evidence of such terms other than the contents of the written agreement. However, a party may present evidence to modify, explain, or add to the terms of the written agreements if he or she puts an issue in a verified pleading. A. An intrinsic ambiguity, mistake, or imperfections in the written agreement. B is the failure of the written agreement to express the true intent and agreement to the parties thereto. And C is the validity of the written agreement. And D, the existence of the other term agreed to by the parties and their successor in interest after the execution of the written agreement. The term agreement includes will. That's all, sir. Thank you.